Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prerna and I am on a mission to make India talk about money without any taboo. So today we are going to talk about all the myths around cryptocurrency, like whatever rumors which are there in the market about cryptocurrency, all the doubts which you have about the cryptocurrency, we are going to deal with it one by one. Okay, so first of all, what is cryptocurrency? I have already talked about it in this video where I've explained cryptocurrency in deep detail, but again I'm gonna give you a gist. So you might or might not be aware, in 2008-9 there was a subprime crisis which led to the recession globally. This resulted in a disbelief in the government and the banking system by the people. And there was this person who was named Satoshi Nakamoto. Now nobody knows whether this is a real person, nobody knows his identity. It could be one person, it could be a group of people. That person claimed to be of Japanese origin, but nobody's sure about it. This person presented a thesis, a paper, a white paper about a currency which is for the peer-to-peer exchange. This currency was supposed to be a decentralized currency, a digital currency which is supposed to be managed and secured by a technology known as a cryptography. Now what is cryptography? Cryptography is an algorithm, a code in a layman language which is written in a way that no third party can interfere the message or interpret the message. That is, the message or the transaction between one party and the party is completely सिक्योर. सो जिसका मतलब क्या है कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक ऐसी डिजिटल करेंसी है, यानी कि फिजिकल करेंसी नहीं है, उसको हम टच नहीं कर सकते, महसूस नहीं कर सकते. इट्स अ डिजिटल करेंसी जो कि कोई एक पर्सन मैनेज नहीं करता है. इट इज इन अ डिसेंट्रलाइज फॉर्मेट अगेंस्ट द सेंट्रलाइज बैंकिंग फॉर्मेट, just opposite to that, which is managed by multiple people in the network. Now this is generally based on a blockchain technology. Okay, now let's talk about the myths about cryptocurrency. So number one, which is a very common myth, is whether cryptocurrency is legal or is it illegal to deal in cryptocurrency in India. First of all, the answer is no. It is not illegal to deal with cryptocurrency in India. Now, where this myth came from? In 2018, government banned all the banks and financial institutions to deal with the cryptocurrency exchange. Now, this ban, there was a petition in 2019, and in 2020 that ban was removed. Now, there was never a ban on the individual retailer to deal with cryptocurrency. It was only for the banks. But yes, since then this concept of legality came into picture regarding cryptocurrency. So I want to break that myth today. It is completely legal to deal with cryptocurrencies in India. There is no law defined which says that dealing in cryptocurrency is illegal. Okay? Now myth number 2 is whether cryptocurrency is legal tender in India. Well, you deal in gold, you deal in real estate, you deal in other commodities. You buy them, you sell them. Are they legal tender? Do they hold a value of Indian currencies? No. Similar is the case with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is legal to be dealt in, like you can make a sale and purchase, but just like gold, it is not a legal tender currency. You cannot just go on a shop, buy something and pay Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. Another very important question is, am I doing anything wrong by dealing in cryptocurrency? Well, you are doing nothing wrong. You are not breaking any law by dealing in cryptocurrency. Yes, government in last parliament session has discussed about it and they want to regulate it. But no, you are doing nothing wrong as of now. It is completely legal to deal into cryptocurrencies. Now that you know that cryptocurrency is not illegal to deal in and it is not a legal tender, the very valid question is about taxation. What about the taxation on cryptocurrency? So all the profits, income you earn in India are taxable, and so is the case with cryptocurrency. As explained by the Sitharaman during an ongoing session in Parliament on 30th November, the income earned by crypto exchanges and other crypto services providing platform is liable to tax under the head Business or Profession under Chapter 4 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Applicability of tax rate will depend on the status and the category of taxpayer. So ultimately it is taxable in India. So a next very common myth is it safe to deal in cryptocurrency? Well, as you say for mutual funds are subject to market risk, so is the cryptocurrency. Mutual fund is regulated by SEBI, but there is no regulator for cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency market is comparatively new and hence more volatile. There's a higher risk in the market. So please do your own research before investing and do not sell everything and start investing in cryptocurrency because they are giving overnight returns. I would suggest to not invest more than 5%, 1 to 5% of your investment right now in cryptocurrency when you start. So the next is blockchain technology legal in India? Okay, wait, first tell me what is blockchain technology. So I have made an entire video on it. Go and check it out. It is very important to learn about blockchain technology because I'm sure it's gonna be future, not just for cryptocurrency. It is a base for cryptocurrencies, but not just for cryptocurrency. There are so many things which are going to be developed in future and which is going to work on blockchain technology. So please go and learn about blockchain technology. Basically, to give you gist, it is a platform which is considered to be very secure. It is in a decentralized form. That is the gist about it. Learn in detail. Go and check out the video after this video. Okay, now coming to whether blockchain technology is legal in India. Of course, like any other technology around the world, it is very much legal in India. So the next is crypto mining even legal in India? Okay, wait. Now you are just throwing jargons. You will tell me what is crypto mining? Okay, in a very layman language, crypto mining is just like printing currency. So in India, only government is authorized to print currency because it is regulated by RBI. Printing of currency is regulated by RBI. But cryptocurrency has no centralized regulator. It is in a decentralized format. So minting of currency, that is crypto, is completely legal in India. Now, how we do that, what is the concept, everything again is explained in this blockchain video. You can go and check it out. So next very common myth is that blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, everything is same, and once the cryptocurrency is banned in India or anywhere around the world, this blockchain technology has no future. So we are not going to put our bets on this blockchain technology. Okay, so blockchain is a technology on which cryptocurrency is based. Even if cryptocurrency is not there, there are a lot of purposes for which this blockchain can be used. Although yes, their future are slightly interdependent because on blockchain mostly what the mode of payment you can use is cryptocurrency, but they are not the same thing. So our next important question is, it's not a myth, but it's a very important question, so I'm going to address it right now. Is India planning to come up with its own CBDC, central bank digital currency? And the answer to that is yes, India is planning. As per the news, it is not going to be like a cryptocurrency. It would be more like a digital payments. It will be built on a blockchain technology, but it is going to be regulated and not deregulated. So the next is most asked point, whether government is banning cryptocurrency and what is the development on crypto bill. So according to me, I think it's very highly unlikely that government is going to ban cryptocurrency completely. But yes, it is definitely going to be regulated and brought under the umbrella of SEBI, which means that all the cryptocurrency has to be stored under the Indian exchanges and you cannot store them in private wallets or maybe in your global exchanges also. So those were all the myths and the question which I came across people asking me regarding cryptocurrency. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, please press the like button so that this video can reach more and more people, and subscribe to my channel. It's free. Until next time guys, take care. Bye bye.